When Richard Ashcroft was in Dublin supporting Oasis, he posted on social media walking 7 Irish Wolfhounds, which led people to think he brought them with him on tour, but he was actually on the Wolfhound Experience. I met up with the organiser and we went for a dog walk.
Today we've got Tara, Mac, Brendan, Barra, Lunasa and Dove. We just go on a gentle stroll and we talk about Irish dogs, Irish history, local history and some mythological stories. I always just find that Wolfhounds open the door to history and they belong to ancient Ireland. So that's just always fascinated me.
I thought it would be a fabulous way of having a bit of a walking tour and learning more about this beautiful animal. They seem very gentle and very lovely.
Dogs, unfortunately, are part of trends. We've got these fantastic 9 Irish breeds. The Irish Wolfhound, I think, is the king of the canines.
I think it's absolutely amazing and everybody should do it because if you can get a chance to love on one of these dogs, you won't regret it.
I love meeting people and I love the aspect of the amount of dog guilt I used to have when I had my first job. Always at work, rushing home to do the bits, get the work done, get them out. Where now I'm out with the dogs every day, I spend all the time with them, and now people are paying me to walk my dogs.